Imagine that by 2049, artificial intelligence, or AI, has surpassed human intelligence. Robots and smart systems carry out most tasks better and more efficiently than their human counterparts. It's a world that could be either a utopia, where humans are free from menial labor, able to pursue creative and fulfilling endeavors, or a dystopia where masses of people struggle with unemployment and societal disintegration. The decisions we make today will chart the course for this future. This essay explores the potential paths of the AI revolution and how we can harness this transformation for the benefit of all. As of 2024, AI systems are integral in various sectors, from customer service bots to sophisticated diagnostic tools in medicine. They have redefined what machines can do, yet they remain tools under human control. This baseline understanding sets the stage for considering their future evolution. AI technology has woven itself into the fabric of daily life, often invisibly. From the algorithms that curate our social media feeds to smart home devices that learn our preferences, AI's integration is deep and wide. However, the pace of AI development raises crucial questions about future implications. Will this trajectory continue? And if so, what will our world look like in 2049? By 2049, AI might not just be an assistant. It could be an architect, a composer, and a strategist. Predictive models suggest AI systems will achieve capabilities that today are the domain of human expertise. Breakthroughs in quantum computing and neural networks could lead to AI that can process information and learn at unprecedented speeds. This could revolutionize industries and potentially create new ones. Anticipating these advancements allows us to prepare for their impact. It's essential to guide AI development in ways that enhance human capabilities without replacing them. The integration of AI into the global economy could lead to significant shifts. Automation might replace many jobs, leading to high unemployment rates if new kinds of jobs are not created. Conversely, AI could generate entirely new economic sectors, much like the internet did. The key will be adaptability and preparation, ensuring that the workforce can transition into these new roles. Economists are divided on whether AI will cause a net increase or decrease in global wealth. However, the consensus is that its impact will be profound and all-encompassing. AI's influence on social structures could be as significant as its economic impact. As AI takes over more responsibilities, traditional social constructs around work and productivity may change. Communities might need to find new ways to engage individuals, with a potential decrease in traditional work hours. This could lead to a renaissance of community and family life, or alternatively, a crisis of purpose for many. The societal integration of AI requires careful planning to avoid exacerbating existing inequalities. It calls for innovative social policies that can accommodate the new norms AI will establish. As AI systems become more autonomous, the ethical implications become more complex. Issues such as the potential for AI to develop biases, the privacy concerns with widespread surveillance, and the moral status of sentient AI are hotly debated topics. Setting global standards for the ethical development and deployment of AI is crucial. These standards must balance innovation with safeguards against potential abuses. The conversation about AI ethics is not just about programming, it's about what kind of future we want to create. Governments around the world are already grappling with the implications of AI. Some have embraced it wholeheartedly, while others approach with caution, concerned about the disruptive potential of unregulated AI. International bodies are attempting to create frameworks for AI governance. However, the effectiveness of these frameworks in managing a technology that evolves at a breakneck pace remains to be seen. Political leadership will play a pivotal role in navigating the AI revolution. Effective policymaking could smooth the transition and help realize the technology's full potential. AI has enormous potential to address environmental challenges. Smart systems can optimize energy use in real time, reducing waste and emissions. AI-driven analytics can enhance the monitoring and management of natural resources. However, the environmental impact of training large AI models is also a concern. As AI becomes more widespread, ensuring that it contributes positively to environmental sustainability will be essential. Harnessing AI for the environment could be one of the most important applications of this technology, provided it's managed wisely. The idea of a universal basic income has gained traction as a potential solution to the economic displacement caused by AI. By providing a basic income, societies could cushion the impact of job losses due to automation. Economic models suggest that UBI could be feasible with the increased productivity brought by AI. However, the implementation of such a system would be complex and requires careful consideration of various factors, including inflation, taxation, and public acceptance. The debate over UBI is a microcosm of the broader conversation about how to ensure that the benefits of AI are distributed fairly. As AI reshapes the workplace, the education system must evolve. The future will likely demand a workforce that is adaptable, tech-savvy, and capable of lifelong learning. Upskilling and reskilling will become standard requirements, not just for the current workforce, but for every future generation. Educational institutions will need to integrate advanced tech training into their curricula. Moreover, job displacement by AI will be balanced by the creation of new roles that we can scarcely imagine today. Preparing for these roles means anticipating the skills they will require. AI's potential to transform healthcare is immense. From diagnostic algorithms that detect diseases with greater accuracy than humans, to robotic surgeries that offer precision unattainable by human hands, the benefits are clear. However, the integration of AI in healthcare raises significant ethical questions. The decision-making process in life and death situations must be transparent, and the autonomy of patients must be respected. Ensuring that AI enhances healthcare without undermining the human elements of compassion and understanding is a delicate balance that must be maintained. National security agencies are increasingly turning to AI to enhance their capabilities. AI can process vast amounts of data to identify threats more quickly than human analysts. However, the same capabilities that make AI a valuable tool for security can also make it a potent weapon. The international community must establish norms and agreements to prevent the militarization of AI technology. Safeguards against the misuse of AI are as important as the development of the technology itself. Security in an AI-driven world will depend on the right balance between innovation and regulation. Public opinion on AI is mixed, swinging between optimism for its potential benefits and concern over its risks. Media plays a crucial role in shaping this sentiment, often sensationalizing the capabilities and threats of AI. Educational initiatives that provide a balanced view of AI are needed to foster a well-informed public. Understanding AI's realistic capabilities and limitations will be crucial for societal consensus on how it should be used. The media's portrayal of AI can either support a rational discourse or feed into fears and unrealistic expectations. Responsible journalism will be key to navigating the future with AI. In an AI-dominated future, what it means to be human might be fundamentally challenged. Relationships between humans and AI could redefine concepts of intelligence, creativity, and even consciousness. Exploring these philosophical aspects isn't just academic. It affects how we design AI systems and integrate them into our societies. It's about understanding the value of human experience amidst technological change. The human-AI relationship has the potential to enrich human life profoundly, provided we maintain a clear sense of our values and purposes. The AI revolution is not just about technological advancement. It's about shaping the future of humanity. Our actions today will determine whether AI helps us create a better world or leads us into a new set of challenges. By fostering a balanced approach to AI development, emphasizing ethical standards, and preparing for economic and social shifts, we can aim for a future where AI enhances our capabilities without diminishing our humanity. In 2049, we hope to look back on this time as a moment when we steered AI towards augmenting the best aspects of human civilization. The journey is as important as the destination, and it begins with informed, thoughtful decisions made today.